markets have plunged over 1,000 points is what the Sensex is down. Let's also see how the Nifty is reacting. And in fact, both of them are 1% down each. Seems to be a choppy session as far as the markets are concerned. We'll try and understand from our in-house expert in just a minute, Sakshi, to the reasons why there has been this choppy session of markets. But about 1,000 points down is what the numbers are telling. Why is there a larger sentiment here? Is it a one-off session of equity markets where a bearish trend seems to have come in? Is some of the questions that we'll put forth to my colleague Sakshi, but it seems like it could be due to some global concerns as well. Remember, as far as whether it is the US where Donald Trump has come out with his big beautiful bill, that could be one factor. Trade concerns still remain. No major trade deals have so far been signed by the US. That could be some of the factors. But as I said, let's get Sakshi to really put that out in greater detail for us. Over to you, Sakshi.
Absolutely, a highly volatile session of trade. We have seen, of course, the Nifty and the Sensex oscillate between those gains and losses. Currently, of course, the Sensex plunging over 1,000 points, heavy losses on the Nifty and the Sensex, as well as the total indices and the broader market. So like you were mentioning, why exactly are we seeing these losses? Now, NDTV has been speaking to experts, and there are, of course, top 2 or 3 reasons that are emerging. One, of course, the weak global cues, the concerns on the US fiscal, state of US fiscal, and of course, the state of US economy, like you were mentioning. Given those concerns there, as well as the trade concerns, which, remember, the tariff concerns are on a 90-day pause and haven't really been totally eliminated. So those concerns also remain for, of course, the global cues to remain weak. Remember that uncertainty has been weighing on investor sentiment, and today we see, of course, with the state of the US economy, and if the US concerns on the debt pile rising continue, those concerns really reflecting on global markets and then in turn reflecting on India's stock market. So that really is one key factor. The other key factor experts believe are, of course, stretched valuations at large. They feel that remains a key reason as well as, of course, concerns on foreign capital inflows reducing. So, of course, these really are the top 2 or 3 concerns emerging after NDTV has been speaking to experts. We, of course, have seen a highly volatile session of trade. Remember, earlier in trade, we did see markets even touch green at one point, and now we are seeing the Sensex plunge over 1,000 points at large.
All right, Sakshi, thanks much for encapsulating this for us. Retail investors, you're watching this broadcast, make sure you double check before you put in your money, especially when the markets are so choppy.